I'm going to donate $100 for the first donation round. Thank you. And if you actually do the math of my salary, that's like $1 million right there. So I want to challenge every other senator and senator-elect coming into the 38th Guam legislature to match my donation of $100 to benefit the Salvation Army and all of their great programs. So Viva Salvation Army! Viva! Happy Thanksgiving!
We'll be feeding around 11. We're going to try to make it 11 because we are picking up all the food, you know, at, early in the morning, like 9:30, 10 o'clock. And by that time, we have all our volunteers.
Thank you very much. All right, God bless you, sir. But wow, thank you.